Before we go any further, it's worth mentioning the number one reason that our company exists. Storing and transporting bulk material requires highly specialized facilities and equipment. While sites like these may seem commonplace to us in the industry, it's a sad fact that each year hundreds of workers are injured or killed entering confined spaces like these. As we go over the new procedures in this video, it's critical that you understand the unique hazards that your job duties will expose you to and take steps to protect yourself from harm. Pneumat provides a range of tools that eliminate the need to enter dangerous spaces, and we encourage you to reach out to us with any questions you may have about performing your work safely.